Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Uber Eats balance only to pay. So let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, so we're jumping straight into Uber Eats. On the left-hand side, you can see the three lines. Go and click on this and look for Wallet. Now, once you've clicked on Wallet, you will be redirected to your Uber wallet. And right over here at the top, you'll see Uber Cash. Okay, so how we can actually do this is you need to fund your Uber Cash. Now, this could be gifted in rewards from Uber Eats or Uber Drive. Also, you can click on plus button over here and gift card, and here you can add a gift card. Now, you'll simply have to enter the gift card's code. To purchase an Uber gift card, you can do this online on the Uber website, or you can purchase it in store. If you can find an Uber Cash gift card, you'll be able to purchase it there, and then you're just going to enter the number in there. Now, once you have a balance, you'll be able to go and, let's say we have made a purchase, we've got it in our cart, and let us go to our checkout. So here we want to make a purchase. Okay, so let's just go ahead, and you can see this is our purchase. So we are going over here, and we're going to go down to payments. Under payments, it says my MasterCard. That is my primary payment. If you go and click on edit, you'll see right at the top, it says payment options, and then it says Uber Cash. Now, the button next to the Uber Cash will allow you to select whether Uber Cash is your first option or your primary payment method. Now, currently, why it says MasterCard is because I don't have an Uber Cash balance. But if you do have an Uber Cash balance and you want to make a purchase, if you have enough to make this purchase, it will use your Uber Cash first. And having this toggled on will make sure that your Uber Cash is what's used before any other payment method. I hope this was helpful.